ADP Payroll Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how much ADP has evolved in 2025. But is it still the go-to payroll solution for businesses? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by thinking payroll software is all the same. ADP stands out because it's a comprehensive platform that handles payroll, taxes, and compliance in one place. For small to mid-sized businesses, this can save hours each week while reducing the risk of costly mistakes. ADP offers a variety of payroll services, from basic payroll processing to full-service management. Employees can receive direct deposits, access pay stubs online, and even manage December 23, 2025 digitally. Platform supports multi-state payroll, automatic tax filings, and compliance with federal and state regulations, which is crucial for growing businesses. One of the biggest pros is automation. ADP can automatically calculate wages, deductions, and benefits, including overtime, vacation, and sick time. Integration with accounting and time tracking tools further streamlines operations. Thus, ADP provides reporting and analytics, giving business owners clear insights into payroll expenses and trends. However, there are cons. Pricing can be high for small businesses, especially if you want advanced features or add-ons like management. Some users also report a learning curve with the interface, especially for custom reports or more complex payroll scenarios. Customer support is generally good, but response times can vary depending on your plan level. In conclusion, ADP Payroll in 2025 is a strong choice for businesses seeking reliable, all-in-one payroll and solutions. Its automation, compliance support, and employee self-service options make it particularly appealing for companies managing multi-state operations. If you're a small business on a tight budget, you might want to compare costs with simpler payroll platforms, but for most businesses, ADP remains a trustworthy and efficient solution.